Navigating Lufthansa's carry-on baggage rules.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're delving into the specifics of Lufthansa's carry-on baggage rules. In particular, we're focusing on one key question that many travelers have. What is the maximum weight limit for a carry-on bag on Lufthansa flights? Understanding these rules can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable, so let's get started.
What is a carry-on bag?
First things first, it's crucial to know what qualifies as a carry-on bag. A carry-on bag is the luggage you're allowed to bring onto the plane with you. It's typically stored in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. The size and weight of these bags are regulated by airlines to ensure the safety and comfort of all passengers.
Lufthansa's carry-on baggage rules.
Now, let's dive into the specifics of Lufthansa's rules. As of my last update in September 2021, Lufthansa allows one carry-on bag for economy and premium economy passengers, and two for business and first-class passengers. For all classes, each carry-on bag should not exceed 55 by 40 by 23 centimeters in size, and here comes the most important part, the maximum weight limit. Each bag should not weigh more than 8 kilograms. If your bag is heavier than this, you may be asked to check it in.
Tips for packing your carry-on bag.
Keeping the weight limit in mind, it's a good idea to pack your carry-on bag strategically. Lighter items like clothing and documents should take up most of your carry-on, while heavier items like electronics can be distributed between your carry-on and checked luggage. Always double-check the weight of your carry-on bag before you leave for the airport to avoid any last-minute surprises or fees. Understanding and following the carry-on baggage rules can make your flight experience much easier. Remember, for Lufthansa flights, your carry-on bag should not weigh more than 8 kilograms. Safe travels and happy packing. We hope this information has been useful for your upcoming journey.